Last year I made 7 million. Then
Party is closing.
for as long as it took, you better look like Halle Berry. Up then broke. Don't get beach, cause that bitch, whatever. Start oak. Left the house with 100 grand. Ended up then broke. Don't Last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show. Last night I when the vibes is out, you can't fight me. In the Porsche, I box you out. I show you how to do this, son. We don't drive X-Files, we give them the baby mamas. Push the big top that's shaped like a Kansas chicken snack box. I get it cracking when I'm backing out the garage. The 360 drop for raw, shut down Manhattan. Bucket low like fuck it though. Nights on shows, hope you niggas are saving up. I show you how you get it later. Do a couple shows, hope you niggas are saving up. Got farther than the media, I'm living in reality. Christians will stick you for going on with sanity, and atheists can get you if they knew that they aren't mad at me. Yet nobody can't get rid of ya. I ain't going nowhere, 20-year career minimum. Call hit boys for beats, ask for 10 of them. I don't follow trends, my nigga, I swing the pendulum. If the bitch bag addiction, I'm gon' give her some. Let's reflect times, I try to collect minds from complex rhymes. And by the way, shout out Tech 9. Living out my dream, my life is different. If I want it, then I'ma get it. Living every day like it's Christmas, cause I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted. And I know I'm gifted. I got a whole lot of people that's been counting on me. Got this bad little shawty going down on the dick. I met shorty and we connected like the Wi-Fi. Hopped in the Phantom, disappeared like wildlife.
Yeah. Going up. Connect, ain't nobody protect. I've been dope since I put raps on BASF cassette. Since then my pen been in war like Montagues and Capulets. A menacing strap you get. Been winning in rap, who's next to get permanent power polluted? Paper protruded, Punani preys on its pubics and they're prepared to pursue it. Get us then we drill some, having plenty thrills. Some Wellington, New Zealand banging her with a chest like Wendy Williams. Everybody know what the kind of money I bring to the table, I can put them on. Take them all around the world, get the door, get the girl, touching other people in a brotherhood along. Teams wild, wings fly, things die with the king's eye, people never seen cry. If you wanna see the mean side, just go stream when I sing one steam, put your hand in my bean pot. Salam Basim, Hakim and Kirramin. I'm something fierce I bring. Player haters to tears with my schemes. Come reach me, I got this species locked in, no one can beat me. The feces, when I released on this beat, he's gonna wanna seek me, cause I'm the Weefy.
I stay with them because it takes the time to get to know me, Think you know you can't escape, lets me know even more that I can't have a mate late. In the same place, she can make me salivate. I guess I do too, so our love just gravitates.
Yeah.
Cold-blooded.
25, 30, yeah, get the money. We ain't battled, either that or they won't collaborate. My step in time with these pantheons, it all was divine. I'm in this moment of my life where shit is falling in line. And looking back, I swear to God, you think it all was designed. A true movie script, I can't really ever fuck no groupie bitch. All she got is diamonds on her mind on some Uzi shit. A whole generation of geniuses I'm influencing. I only hang with real niggas who I'm congruent with. I manifest nothing less than the best outcome. Just watch my moves with this next album. Now count it like 10, yeah, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yeah, get the money, throw it in the furnace. Yeah, this shit be funny. To burn it, swag kept it from me. My sentences are harsh, every single bar's like a verdict. I say it with conviction, but this time you're not gonna serve it. But as soon as I read it, you know that you're about to get murdered. When I capital punish to put you in a box.
A lot of people are saying they have telepathic skills. Are they really communicating? Like when I feel a box that gets shipped, I'm packing. No stopping me, even when it's hot on the block. And now when coppers be a couple nearby, and her boyfriend thought he's on to me. I just stay in my zone. Not many can stay as calm as me.
Ahead, I think it might be. wasn't able to replicate
We see each other every day. I love you, bro. I like to stay true. And this road together, keep going and always they keep showing and my faith it keeps growing with them and always they keep showing and always they keep going and always they keep showing and.
I got a whole lot of people that's been counting on me. Got this bad little shawty going down on the dick.
I met Shorty and we connected like the Wi-Fi. Hopped in the Phantom, disappeared like wildlife.
based on the amount of time she's spent on the court, what she's put through the court in terms of her body, mentality of every match, the emotions that she's brought to every match. It's not a surprise in some way that there's a slight breakdown at the end, but that is for her devastating. And we hope that everything's okay. There we go. This isn't a long-term problem.
What's up? It's your boy Light. It's a party. You brought your people, I brought my people. We just came here to have a good time. What's up? DJ Retro, let's go. All my people got the dough to disappear. That means whatever you got coming, you ain't coming here. Brand new girl with it, you don't need a sear. You got a new nigga, don't even bring him here. It's a part of the deal.
I told niggas that I would make it, they say no way. Watch them niggas that might eat up off of your plate.
They call me sliding on the E-way with the heat on the seat. I got Tennessee.
Say when it comes to the lanes, there's no competition, but I led hearts. We don't stay when it comes to he was trying to cheat, and I'm the one who ate him. Never banded like royalty. It's all legal. We win with no royalty fees. Although I got time before dinner at 8, and I'm known to have multiple mates. Yes, dates. Never known to have gritty plates. Win, most important.
Yeah, done seen some shit within my lifetime. My light shine bright. Early bird, nigga, I'ma get this motherfucking chicken. And with the same nigga since grade school. Give a fuck about cans and use that shit to get my brother out the can. Let me tell you, first and foremost, for every door that's open, the door closed. I ain't on them, and I ain't even wanna hate. I can tell you by the time I signed a deal for 20.
Possible fashion, so I think.
The brethren, eyes open, leak road, a dead end, open corrections, okay, cool. Fuck about your shade room when I had made room for everybody on that late moon. And when comers, my niggas flexing, nigga, the short road, a dead end, or prison tay. I can tell you by the time I had a penny problem that I can make some corrections, okay, grade school. Cannot look at me wrong. It's certain tell you shit the other $2 from comers, my niggas.